Welcome to my Origamikharadee channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a detailed and realistic origami paper karambit using simple materials you can find at home. The karambit is a uniquely curved knife that originates from Southeast Asia, particularly from Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Traditionally used in martial arts such as Silat and Kali, it has become popular worldwide not only because of its history, but also due to its distinct design and appearance in video games like Counter-Strike, Global Offensive. In this tutorial, we'll recreate the look of a karambit entirely with paper, making it a fun, creative, and safe project for anyone who enjoys DIY crafts and origami. I'll guide you through the process step by step, making it easy to follow whether you're a complete beginner or already experienced in paper folding. You'll learn how to fold the curved blade, shape the handle, and even create the iconic finger ring that gives the karambit its unique grip. All you need is a piece of paper and optionally some scissors, glue, or a ruler if you want more precision. This paper karambit is perfect for creative hobbyists, students working on school projects, cosplay enthusiasts looking for lightweight props, or anyone who loves crafting weapons out of paper. The final result looks impressive, feels satisfying to make, and is completely safe for display or fun roleplay. If you enjoy making origami weapons or cool paper models, this video is definitely for you. I've tried to make each step clear and simple so that viewers of all skill levels can join in. If you like the video, please support the channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Your feedback motivates me to create more exciting tutorials like this one. You can also share your creations or ask questions in the comments section. I'd love to hear how your paper karambit turned out. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new creative DIY videos.